Hey, Dr. Teh.
Hi,
Want to
hi.
have coffee?
Sure, let's go.
Let's go. How was your day today?
Long day, seen many patients today.
So why did you want to be a doctor?
Never wanted to be a doctor in the first place, was talking about engineering initially, but somehow was affected by my grandparents' doctor.
Okay, it's a very interesting story.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome.
Hi,
Hello.
I would like to have an iced Americano, please.
Ice Americano, alright.
So Dr. Teh, besides being a doctor, what other female roles do you play?
I have parents around, so I play the role of a daughter and I stay with them. And I have 3 other siblings, so I'm a sister, I'm the eldest.
Oh, I see. So then what has surprised you most about the resilience of being a woman?
Women always feel that they are weak, but in actual fact, they are actually very, very tough. When they are in circumstances, they actually can do well and they actually thrive. Without challenges, they always feel they are very weak.
What is the best or worst type of advice you've ever received?
The best advice I would say that when you had challenge, however big, people tell me take one step at a time, one thing at a time. Don't look at it like a big mountain, just small goals, day by day, you'll be able to overcome it. The worst advice maybe is to forget it and pretend nothing is happening because the problem is still there.
But how do you go about problem solving?
Like I say, little by little, one step at a time. Same goes for when patients get diagnosed with cancer. So if you tell them every information, it feels like it's overwhelming. Nobody can cope with that. But surprisingly, if you take one thing at a time, they could easily manage.
It's a bit of a funny question lah. But if you could rule the world, what would you do?
That's interesting. I never thought of this question before. If I could ever rule the world, what would I do? I will do things that could help people to find joy in life. So you can be poor, you can be rich, as long as you are happy, a lot of things can be very easy.
That's a very kind thought actually. So what message do you have for women out there?
You are braver or you are tougher than you think you are.
I think I can take that advice very, very well. Thank you for your time today, Dr. Teh.
Thanks for the coffee. It was a great chat with you.
Yes, I agree as well.